list of input tags. List of input tags. So the example what we created till now, this maybe you can say page 1, page 2, page 3, table 1, table 2, table 3, about contact. All the pages are called output tag. Now we are going to give some idea on input tag. Right here we have one is called as a text. For what purpose? To take input in alphanumeric format. Using the text, we can take the input from user. That will be combination of both alpha and numeric. Next will be called number. What it do is used to take a number input from user. Maybe mobile number. If you want to receive a mobile number from user, any kind of OTP, then in that case we can use this type. That is called number type. Next, come down below. Third one is called password. Right? It used to ask. It used to take input. It used to input. Used to number input. Used to take number input from user. It used to take password like secure method. Secure input from user. It used to get secure input from user. Next is email. You can write to take email as input. Email as input. You take input email as input. You take the email as input. Next, you can write text area. Text area. This is for what purpose? For multi-line input. For multi-line input. For multi-line input. Like when we want to take the multiple line input from user, maybe address, maybe you can say a description of a product, or maybe profile, about profile, anything more than one line, we can use this text area to take the input from user. Next, we have called file. File. It is especially to upload any kind of file. To upload any type of file. Whenever we want to upload any kind of file, we will use this input type equal to file. Next, right call. Another one is called checkbox. Checkbox. Like when you fill the form, you will have a tick mark. Select particular. In that case, we use this element called the checkbox to choose one or more option. Choose one or more from given option. Choose one or more from given option. Like you have the option. In that option, people can select one, or people can select more than one. Checkbox. Another element we have called radio. Sometimes while filling the form, you select the gender, male or female. So this will help you call radio to choose anyone from given option. To choose anyone from the given option. That is called a radio. Next is called date. Date. It is for what purpose? Like sometimes when we fill the form to select the date of birth, calendar will appear. So this is especially to display the calendar. To choose date from date picker. To choose date from date picker. Next we have called date time local. Date time hyphen local. Date time local. What will happen in this? it will give you date and time along with like year, month, date you can select. Along with that, there will be hour and minute. Like suppose today date you are selecting and then hour, like 10 o'clock, minute 20. So that is for local zone. You can fill the form and you can select the date along with the time. Okay. So we can write here to choose date with local time zone. Choose the date with local time zone. Okay. To choose the date with local time zone. Next, after that, what else is pending? Call select. Next, we have called select. While filling the form, we select the city, country from the drop down. This is for that purpose. To choose any option from drop down. To choose any option from the drop down. Okay. Okay, written. Come next. Now we need to write a tag call. Next we have called button. Button is of two types. One is called submit button. Another one is called reset button. Reset button. Next one more is called a button itself. Three type of button we have. Button as a submit, button as a reset, button as a button. Now this all we need to implement in one file, basic syntax, remaining other file. So hope you are writing. You should write it. Okay, then now come to the next one. Next we'll create a file called form1.html. In the same folder we create file form1.html. Form1.html. File is form1.html. In form1.html, you can start from the HTML as usual. Write the body tag. Come inside. Open a. Write h1 HTML input tags. Input tags. Syntax. HTML input tags. Syntax example. HTML input tags, syntax example. Come inside, what are the input tag we have written? First is called a text. So we can write here, example text only. Input type equal to text. Input type equal to text. Okay, next write again number. Input type equal to number. Next write input type equal to password. Input type equal to password. क्लियर है? कलम अंदर के आगे देखिए आपको आई कथा साड़ी शॉप मिलेगा। आई कथा ये नया एक शॉप खुला है ना, वो मुग्धा के पहले वाला बिल्डिंग, आई कथा सेकंड फ्लोर। आई कथा मुग्धा का वाला बिल्डिंग जो है ना, साड़ी का शॉप है, उसी सेकंड फ्लोर में। ठीक है, पता चल गया? हाँ नहीं आप उधर देखो, उससे पहले वाला, वो नया वाला शॉप खुला है ना, उससे पहले आई कथा के सेकंड फ्लोर आगे रिसेप्शन पे होगा, दे दीजिए। Written. Check now how it is coming. It's like this. This will take the text. This will take the number. This will take the text. Text means it will take anything. Number will take number. Password will take anything, but it will store the data. That is called type equal to password. Check. Another one more we have called email. Input type equal to email. It is especially to receive the email ID. Especially to receive the email ID with @and.com.co.in. Okay, right? Check now. It will work like this. When you enter any value here, press enter key. It will not go to the new line. Here also enter any number, press enter key, same line. Here also enter anything, new line, same line. Enter anything. So these all are called a single line input element. For what purpose? To receive the single line input from users. Okay? Right here. H3 single line input elements. Single line input elements. Come after that. Now write another one. H3 text area open and text area close. We'll run this file and we'll see it will take the multi-line input. It will take multi-line input. Right, return text area. Yeah. You will find this will take the multiple line. Right, you can resize it now with the minimum property written. It will take the multi-line. Right. In this example, only we are understanding how to create a certain element. Like you want to display password field. So what is the syntax for that? Input type equal to password. You want to create a text area. What is the syntax for that? So text area open, text area close. In this, you can see these first four are independent element, independent tab, open close together. This text area you can see it is called a dependent, open and close. But if I not write H3, all will print in the same line. All input tags are inline element, like it will print in the same line. Okay, H3 I have written purposefully so that it will break the line. H3 is a block level tag. Write the next tag H3 again. Call it a file. You will write here input type equal to file. Okay. Input type equal to file. Check now. It will give you the option to choose a file. We can click on that and we can select any type of file. That is called choose file. So when we upload any kind of file in the Naukri, resume you update, in Gmail you send any file. Correct? So what is the feature there? The feature name is called type equal to file. Now it is allowing you to select only one. As of now, how many you are able to select? Only one. Let me go to the download folder. I can see I can select only one. It is not allowing to select multiple. Right? We have property in that we will write multiple equal to multiple. So it will allow to select more than one file. In Gmail, when you upload the file, you select multiple files together using Control key. Similar way here also you can do. Water? Yes. Wait, water. Okay. Now add below another H3. H3. That is called date. Date. Right below input type equal to date. Input type equal to date. It will give you a very clear calendar. Once you click on text box, you will get a calendar. See it now. See, date figure is coming. And the click of that, you will get a calendar. But this will give only MMDDYY, month, date, and year. Come next. Write the next H3. Date, time, input type equal to date time hyphen local. Date time local. Input type equal to date time local. Check now. Date will come. Along with that, see, date is coming. Along with that, we'll have option of hour as well as minute. Right? This will be possible. Try check happening for everyone. Okay, coming next. Next, after this, you will write call select. There we can select the option from the given option. H3 call select and option. Select open close, option open close, choose option, next option, next option, now it will give a drop down option. In that drop down option, okay, next sequence, you will see the option as a drop down, something like this. Right, similar. But from there also you can select only one as of now. We have property using that we can make how many? More than one. Okay? We have property, those we are going to see after finishing this file. Right next H3. H3. You can write next call checkbox. 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 So for that we can write input type equal to checkbox. Bangalore, Mumbai, Pune, Chennai. If now multiple checkbox will come, in that you can select one also, or you can select more than one also. All will appear in same line since it is called a inline tag. Okay, happen like this. Pick one or more than one. Here it is. Right below, radio button. H3, radio button. Radio only, not as a button, only write radio. So input type equal to radio. Let me keep here call a gender selection option, male. Input type equal to radio, female. Now you can select both as of now. We can select both the option. Well, to select, we can limit it. We have property for that. That is not a difficult task. We can limit it. Okay. So property is here called, you can write only name. You will use the property called name. But for both the radio button, name will be same. For both the radio button, name will be same. Any name you give as of now. What is the purpose of name that we don't know? We will understand that. We will write it. But if you give the common name for both the radio button, user cannot select both. User can select anyone, either first or second. Okay, so you cannot select both. Anyone you can select, you can select. Anyone we can select either first or second. But once we add the list of property value, we'll discuss. Come now. Below you have two button. Right expiry, action button. Action button. Action button. Button. The first type we have called submit. We can write here submit. Second button type we have reset. Type equal to reset. One more button we have. So this first two button will work without JavaScript. It will make your program function without JavaScript. But the third button, what you are going to write, it will not work without JavaScript. Third button. Type equal to button. Okay, so for button, you can see two button, three button will appear in the last, but this all will not be functional. It is just a button. Click on that, nothing will happen. Okay, because you have not implemented the functionality, only you just added the button, understood how to create a button. Button open, button close. Inside type equal to certain, and then write some text. It will appear in the browser. Okay, so come to the next file, and we'll arrange this all input element systematically. Next file will be form 2. Next file is form2.html. Okay, so file you create form2.html. Okay, so start from HTML and follow the body tag. Next, after this, create one table. First, one table will create. There will add multiple hyperlink because many files we have to create to understand entire property value. Okay, and all property value we cannot write it in file. We'll get confused actually. So 6, 7 file will create, and in each file 4, 5 property will add. You will understand easily. So align. Let's keep all center and apply self padding. 15 is okay. We can use a TR. We can use the PD. 𝕊𝖆𝖆𝖵 equal to 𝕊𝖆𝖆𝖵 equal to form2.html, and right here contact us. Add one more TD. Form3.html. Here call login. Form4.html. Form2 should be there. Then 3 will come. This will be 4. Register. File name is form. File name is also form2. When you click on contact us, it will be on the same file. But when you click on login, it will go to which file? Form3. Form4. Even form5 you write 2, 3, 4, 5. Right here for inquiry. And write one more file. Form6. User. So this will become total 5 hyperlink. In each 5 file, we'll add something. Write HR again. Color equal to any color, gray color. Size equal to 10. Set number 1 is created, everyone. Homework set number 1. Try set number 2 today. After tomorrow class, then try the remaining form related. Until here, you can give the file name proper so that later it will not say page not found. The link should be proper file name. The links what we are writing should be proper file name. Form 2, form 3, 4, 5, and then 6. Hyperlink is ready for everyone. All the TD with hyperlink. everyone should be able to now come in the same file after HR, right here, another table tag, and align equal to center, cell padding 10, cell padding 10. You can make 15, will be spacious. Write a caption tag first. Under caption, you can write H1. Next, come down. Caption is end. Follow DR, TH. Right call your full name. Your name you can write, and one TD. Input type equal to text. Input type equal to text. Now write the next here. TH. Mobile number. Mobile number. Next TD. Input type equal to number. Write this. Run this much only first. See how the appearance is coming. Now it will not be T-aligned. It will align properly because of table tag. Now, you can see how it appears. Come to file, something like this. When you click on contact, it will remain on the same page. Okay, one is for text purpose, second is for the number purpose. It is coming in line side by side because of table tag. Second here, then there also follow on TH, email ID, PD, input type equal to email. You know how that appear? Should appear something like this. Next here, write TH, your message, text area open, text area approach. It should be within the DD. It must be within the DD. DD. It will be well aligned. Something like this. Now, in the last, we will add a button here. PH, all span to button, type equal to submit, We can write here call send a message. Next button reset. Type to reset only. This button will not work because we have not added inside the form tab. Yes, button is coming. Two button. Check now. Three button will come properly. So this become your basic text box with a table without any property. We have many properties are there. We will make a list. We'll implement this. So check once. Is it happening? Once you complete your reply me, then we can jump the file and we'll add something else. Everyone is active. Two people are writing. We have completed, I guess. Remaining should write. See you. Three people have written. Remaining not writing or confused, or what is the problem? I have not gone very fast speed. Slowly we have written. Try. No reply. And I should move ahead. Nima, Nakshatra, reply inactive. Himanshi. Okay. So will be cooperation to write. Okay. We need to write the code. If you one day will not write the code, tomorrow your finger feel uncomfortable. Finger will feel like I made some mistake. Okay. So full life you have to write the code. So don't make delay in starting the writing the code as you start. Next. So next after this, in this file, start from beginning. For the first text box, apply a property called placeholder. Call enter your name. Enter your name. So when the user will open this file, user will see a message in the text box. Enter your name. User will understand. Oh, I need to enter my name here. That is for the input guidance. Come to the second one, mobile number. Put placeholder equal to enter your mobile number. Next email ID. Enter your email ID. enter your email ID. Text area, placeholder, enter your message. Enter your message. Run the file, you will find everywhere meaningful message will appear. Once you start typing the value, that message will go automatically. That is called attribute. Placeholder becomes a attribute. Enter your name and start typing the name. Placeholder will go. Placeholder will come if there is no any value. Use a property called size. In the first text box, write size, S-I-Z-E. Size equal to give 40. We will write this all in the notes. For mobile number, it will not work. You have to write for the email ID. Size equal to 40. 40. Any number you can give 30, 40, 20. More than 25 you should give. No, up to 25 will be normal text box. More than that, if you give, it will become resize. So size property is not exist per number. It is exist only for text, email, and password. Right? Happens. See that? Size become a little bigger. That is because of size property. Hello. Yes, madam. PHP candidates are very less, madam. We have candidates on Node.js, backend Node.js, Node.js, databases, database. No. PHP and Node.js both are different. So the profile we have it now, those all are for the Node.js now. The PHP candidates are not there. No, yes. Okay, no, direct. So become a white. Now go for text area. In text area, we have a property called calls, COLS, calls equal to give 40. This is all about the attribute and value, Okay, so we have to remember so many attribute value. We will make a note. You know, text box, text area will become a little wide, but height will not increase. To increase the height, we use a property called rows, ROWS. Rows equal to give somewhere 10, it will become sufficient height. Rows will increase the height of text area, calls will increase the width of text area. No sequence. It and width both will get increased. But for number property, for number field size will not work. You can try. For number size and max length both will not work here. Max length we have not written anyhow. Size you try. Size. Size gives similar 40. In Mozilla it may reflect, but in Chrome it will not work. Size property will not come in Chrome for the number type. Is it online? Size. Size you have written for text box. Name size become bigger. Email become bigger. Now same size we wrote for mobile. So check that. Is that increasing? No. Because in mobile, in a number type, size property is not exist. So to make similar width, we have to write the CSS. With the help of CSS, we can make it. So this property value, don't worry, you will remember easily. For that purpose only I have made this all the files. How many files? Total 5 files. In that A to Z you will remember property value. So priority will be the next set number 2. Table related. We have something. You finish that today. Whoever have not worked on the set number 2, they should finish the set number 2. And then after tomorrow class, you will be eligible for set number 4, 5, and 6. Form related. Okay, so this one file we created. In that we'll add property value, and those all notes will write here. Where under the developer right. Max length meaning is what, size meaning is what, placeholder what is that. Okay, form related properties and all, we will see. So we'll spend in this total files which we have made. For these 3 files, we'll spend 2-3 days of time. You will get very good idea. Okay. Tomorrow interview will be here. Many people will come. So your class may be online only. That I'll update you on how we go. Okay, based on our candidate, how many people are coming. Okay, but there are many are there. So there will be 2 batches, one is 10 to 12 and second one is 12 to 4. 12 to 7. Okay. So by that time, if there is a chances to finish the work, then we'll call you here. Else you can join tomorrow. I will update you on how before. Okay. So if you are, whoever are attending online, no changes. Some 3 people are coming here. For them, I suggested if interview will not finish here by 10 o'clock, 2 p.m. then I'll guide you. I'll message you to join from home itself. If it gets finished, then mostly should get finished by 2 o'clock. Okay. Tomorrow again, try that which one? Table set number 2. So whoever have not completed that set number